Hi, this is Matt McKillen with Innovative Financial Group. The question posed to me today is, what is home equity security? It's actually a question I've not been asked before. I believe that home equity security is basically the more equity you have in your home, the more secure you are for financial crisis down the road, or if, let's say, you see a larger home you may want to purchase down the road. When you have home equity is the amount of the value of your house that's not encumbered by a mortgage. So, for example, you may be living in a $100,000 house, only owe about $50,000. You have about $50,000 in equity in that property, which I consider to be security. If you sold that home and you turned around and purchased